Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. This weekend we are visiting Chatham-Kent. Thanks to Ontario Southwest and Chatham-Kent, we are visiting the area for the weekend, and our first stop is visiting Erieau Beach. So we are here, it is all frozen over because, oh, do you see Adam like way in the back? But we are visiting this area first. They have a brewery just up the street called Bayside, which we're going to go to next. But what's really cool about this area is it was built on a sandbank. So as we were driving up, there's two, I guess, lanes of cottages, and both sides are lakefront, which is really cool. So it's on Lake Erie as well as Rondeau Bay. So it's really cool. It's all water, and then you can see like way in the back, we're gonna go try and visit as well. There's a lighthouse, which is really famous for the area, and a lot of people come here from US and Canadians just to visit the area. So we're gonna go explore a little bit and climb on these little ice hills. It's not as slippery as I thought. Oh, just kidding, it's slippery. We made it to the lighthouse, and we did not fall on any ice. Here, over there we did, but not here. Our next stop of the day is we're visiting Bayside Brewery for lunch. So they have a wood fire oven pizza. So we're gonna go get some pizza, maybe some nachos, wings, I don't know, but we're gonna stuff our face and get some beers and test it out. So let's go inside. Welcome to my cottage at the Retro Suites. This is our cottage for the evening. We have a beautiful living room down here with our couch. I'm loving all the bright colors. And if you notice the flooring, it is so cool. All the rustic wood we have in here, which is very much Adam and I's style. So we are loving this. And then if you come over to this side, we have a beautiful kitchen area where we've already made a nice cup of coffee, which is all included in your stay. And we have a little fridge. We have our leftover pizza from Bayside, and we have some waters down there. Probably should have brought some popcorn. Then we have a microwave. This is awesome. You know, so oh wow, you even got some like cups and like plates and stuff if you want to make something. And then if you come over this way, we have a massive bathroom. This thing is huge. Huge shower, which could probably fit like 10 people. You might not want to do that, but you could if you wanted to. And this is only one of two bathrooms that is in this suite. So next we're going to take you upstairs. And now we're in the bedroom. So we have a big king size bed, and it is still going with the rustic cottage theme, which is so cool. We have lake life, which is Adam and I's life. We love it. So this is very us. I'm very happy with this room. And lastly, like I mentioned, not one, but two bathrooms in this suite. We have another little one up here. No shower, but just your toilet and your basic sink. And that is our room for the night. We have checked into the hotel, but now we are outside walking around the streets of Chatham. We're just exploring. I'm going to show you guys a few things to check out if you are ever in the area. So one of the spots we checked out was Bella's Chocolatier, which is all chocolate and yummy goodies. So if you have a sweet tooth, go check that out. And now we're going to head to Capitol Theater and check that out. And they have different shows and stuff there throughout the year. So we're just going to see what it looks like on the outside because we don't have a show to go to today. Just walking past and we found the restaurant Friends. We are told by a few people that we've talked to within the area that this is a very good place to go to. If you are in the area and looking for a good place for lunch, I've heard this is a great spot to go. After a day of exploring, it's finally time for dinner. It's about 5 o'clock and we're coming to visit the Chatham Breakfast House and Grill, which is just outside the main strip that we were exploring earlier. So we're going to go inside and have dinner. So we're starting dinner tonight with their homemade sweet potatoes, and then they make homemade sweet potato chips, I should say. And then it's a roasted red pepper cheddar dip, which looks amazing. Well, actually it is. I've already tried some. But I mean, if you put cheese in anything and a dip, it is so good. So you just dip it in, the homemade sweet potato fries, or chips, dip it in.
It's cheesy.
And it is good. It's good. We're at our final stop for the night. So as you saw, we just had dinner, but now we're at our final stop, which is Chatham-Kent, which is a brewery just down the street from our hotel. So we got 2 flights, and Adam is most excited about his Scotch ale. Scotch ale, yeah. He loves Scotch, so definitely excited about that. And I'm most excited about this one. So it's like a Moscow Mule type of beer, and that's my favorite drink. So I'm excited to try that one. But yeah, we got, what, 9 beers? 9 beers to try. That is how we're going to end the night. So I'll keep you guys posted later on, or maybe down below or in the blog post after, about what my favorite beers here were. Just so if you ever come in the area, you know as well. But we're definitely going to pick up some beers as well, because my brother already suggested that, well, he already gave me like 3 beers that he wants me to bring home. So we'll definitely be bringing some home. So I'll let you guys know all that down below as well. Good morning from the Retro Suites. Today we are checking out the hotel, and earlier we just had breakfast downstairs at the Chill Cork, which is the restaurant here at the Retro Suites. And if you stay like throughout the weekdays, your meal is included with you with your stay for breakfast, but however on the weekends it is not. But we still went and checked it out, and it is delicious, so I definitely recommend going. We both loved our meals, and it's like a really cool like retro vibe down there, just like the whole hotel. So everything's just like an Instagrammer's dream almost. You just want to stay and see everything. Definitely, I feel like now one of my goals is to like stay in every room in this hotel, just because I want to see it all. It's like a museum just walking around the hotel, so something you definitely have to check out. As mentioned, we are heading home today, so I want to give a special thank you to Ontario Southwest and Chatham-Kent Tourism for hosting us for the weekend. We had so much fun, and I hope you guys learned a little bit more about the area, because it is super neat to come here. There's a lot of like history and fun things to see. So if you're ever in the area, definitely check it out, and make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, as I'm back every week with more travel and lifestyle content. So you want to stick around for all of that. And as always, thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you next week. Bye. A little note for staying at the Retro Suites: if you come to the side of the building, there are all these colored walls. Like I said, Instagrammer's dream. There's so many fun little areas you can take photos.